If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your Apple ID, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to your device's home screen and tap on the Settings app to access your device settings. Step 2. Tap on your name. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. In the Apple ID settings, look for the Subscriptions option and tap on it. This will show you a list of your active and pending subscriptions. Step 4. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through the list to locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Once you are on the transaction details page, look for the option to cancel subscription or cancel transaction. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully cancel a pending transaction on your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.